Welcome everyone to a new video. Today we're gonna be playing Hypixel Capture the Flag, and I hope you enjoy it. Oh, the game started. Alright.
This is okay. Leave a like if you like. Leave a dislike if you dislike.
Shut up. Leave a like if you dislike. Wait, what?
You said it.
I know, but then you're saying it's so weird. Why the heck are they hippoing? This is so sad. Leave a like if you like. Leave a dislike if you don't like. Ah! Oh, okay. Oh god. This is so unfair, guys. Leave a like if you. Okay, I'll stop. Yeah. Oh, nice. No KB, and you still died anyway. You know what? I'll take that as a win. I'll take that as a win. All right. Die.
Down-stack,
Jesus.
man. I have a whole down-stack bridge over at the wing.
Don't die already. What? Thank you.
Check the wing out with its down-stack bridge.
The bypass up.
Guys,
We're winging. They just jumped off. Okay. I'll counter wing from here.
Oh my god. Our entire wing bridge is like down-stack.
Oh, nice.
Because I am warming up my moonwalking skills.
Can you moonwalk diagonal? Is that a thing? Like moonwalking
Oh yeah,
diagonal?
I've done it before. Moonwalk like 5 blocks diagonally.
Is it actually a thing?
No, I'm coming out. I'm going outside.
Go touch grass. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Oh, what the heck? I just got launched.
I went outside, but I didn't touch grass. Unfortunately, I am not a.
Please,
I am not
please.
a good
Yes. Ah, you killed them! No!
Well, yeah, I killed them. You said yes when I killed them, and then you said no when they died.
I didn't need you to kill them.
It's what we call Martin contradiction. Field shield, also known as
What?
like what happens if a like a thingy thing meets a thingy thing.
Did you just speak Indian? Did you just speak?
So confused. I shot one there.
What the heck? The heck, man? You so Indian. What you mean? I thought you were Indian.
You know what else? You know who else think you're Indian?
Oh, you are Indonesian.
The tribes that the people tribe.
No, you
Hey
so
guys, what do I
stupid.
do when I'm at the back of the base with the flag?
You do
Do the loop around. Okay, good job.
do the loop around, but reverse.
Hello, Honk Goose. Escort me.
You don't even have the flag. I can't see your flag.
I do have the flag.
Oh, nah, man. I'm just blind.
Nama.
Go. Do.
Ui.
DJ.
Oh, it's a 3v1. Let's go. This is totally fail.
Totally fair. Oh
Come
my
on,
god.
give us our first win, man.
Come on, man. No!
You guys wanna main this until we get into the leaderboard?
Sure.
Get red lava's good on the leaderboard. Let's go.
Just ask Red Lava to play with us. Oh god.
Wait, can somebody?
You should definitely join the guild though. Yeah, you should definitely join. Alright. Quick.
เฮ้ยครับพี่ช่วยตัดแร่
Big man on dice, you should join. Oh my god, he has given up.
I his father gave up on him.
Why give up?
Yeah, mom, that way.
Not just be. Come on! Why must we have a cooldown to shout? This is so sad, guys. Leave a like if you like. Leave a dislike if you don't like.
Just a ha funny moment.
Ha funny moment.
Ha funny moment.
Not try doing the thing. Oh yeah.
A block of Honk Goose. No, my block don't placing is so sad. Hey guy, that's just so mean. You can like,
I just watched your haha funny moment bridge. I didn't know that it was uploaded like 3 days ago. Oh my god, he's actually building. He has not given up, guys. Can you just go already? I want our first goal.
Okay.
Send more. These look like sweats. I mean, yeah, sheep. You haven't scored a single time. What? Kill this guy. Oh no, I'm stuck in a block. Clutch anyway.
Imagine, hey, how you just got the monetization. Use the word game end. Come on, man, just game end somebody. Imagine killing and murdering.
No!
Hearted.
Shut up! I have the flag.
Bye bye. Corporate sabotage.
This is corporate sabotage, guys. Leave a like if you like. Leave a dislike if you don't like.
Okay, I gotta face the void. Hello, void MC. Sago.
I'll go, boy.
I'll protect you.
Oh no! Someone took our flag. Whatever can we do?
Kill. I mean, gay man. So sorry.
Amen. These not low.
You have crazy low wing.
That is a crazy lowing. That looks like someone that. Oh my god.
Oh no.
That looks like the attempt. That looks like a 3-year-old trying to tie a shoelace. Ah. Oh no! They're on the wing with the flag.
Get the guy on the wing. Oh.
4 gain. 4
Somebody camp at the wing.
4 gawan. 4 gawan. Yeah, I'll call you 4 gawan. You're very popular. Get Honk Goose on.
You are so popular that you have the attention of Honk Goose White too.
Just be. Oh crap! They have the flag. They're coming. Go get it. Get it. Oh, he died. Okay. Let's hit ball on their side so that they cannot get in the goal. Let's hit ball on their side. How about that?
Somebody camp the low one, please.
Can we hip on their side so that they can't get in?
No. Oh. That's just carpet sabotage. Okay. Come on, sheep man blade, you got this.
Gap.
Sheep man blade,
Sheep man blade, gap.
Come on, sheep man blade, you got this.
Gap.
Oh my god, you.
Gap.
Wait, does sheep have this? I don't know. Sheep doesn't have this. I have this.
Go. Oh, help.
No.
Oh, be as helpful as I can. No, you died. No.
I have KB1 on his axe. In sword. By lowing.
They keep on using that lowing.
Just weighing abuse on capture the flag. Like, who are you? But that's all. You just committing war crime now, man. It's literally a children's game. That's
what they also said for Squid Game. They said it was a children's game. Guess what? It was a murder game.
Should have gotten demonetized by YouTube, but no. I get demonetized.
Oh no! Whatever can we do? Oh my god, sheep, you're so good.
You know, right? I'm Sheepman Blade. I'm so good.
You know what?
Wait,
I'll
they call
call
me
that as
Sheepman
good
Blade.
also.
Oh, you don't even say my name. This is so bad.
This is so sad, guys. Leave a like if you like, leave a dislike if you don't like. I better go.
You no! Why did you take it? That's so sad.
Please, 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 please. No, 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 no! Oh, no, 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 you.
Oh, I almost flawless him. All his
You
reverse comboing me.
little mother reacher.
Mother muffin. Get the guy.
I got him.
The golem.
Tunnel system.
How was that reach? Okay. Low wing.
That's not a low wing. That is the void.
Like, oh, okay.
Oh no, another
I
one.
killed 3 people.
Another one. Get
Got the
him.
guy at the low wing at the main.
I can't moonwalk, man. That's not fair.
Oh, I double clutch. I did the guy.
Sheep, get him. Never mind. You're kind of, useless. But you know what? I'm not gonna say it.
You're being a kinty right now, man. That's just not cool.
I said just kidding. In my brain. But you know what? You're not gonna know it. So yeah. No, Rick.
Not gonna know it because you don't mean it.
I mean.
Oh, yeah, just me.
What? So you want me to be? So you want me to not be kidding?
The lag spike, man.
Take their
Oh,
flag.
the lag spike. Oh my god, the lag spike.
And you are dead.
Okay, no, I'm still alive. Don't worry.
Okay, yeah,
Oh,
cooler.
okay, got that. Bad and dying to Honk. Oh my god. Okay. I stopped the guy.
That was literally just that one guy stalling in the goal in our goal room with a bow loaded. He was putting me at gunpoint. He is threatening me. This is so sad, guys. Leave a like if you like. Leave a dislike if you don't. Oh no! E-girl stand. Oh wait, that's not E-girl. Pee poo poo.
Using the microphone. Ah!
Okay.
Don't touch me. Call me Alfredo.
Why?
I like battle.
This is so sad, guys. Leave a like if you like. Leave a dislike if you don't. Why I can't break that, huh?
Oh my god, the bypass is so good. They have a tunnel system mid.
You kinda just made me get screwed, you know.
Oh well. Honk, I'm here to save you. Honk, you're going to die. You forgot to use your 100% alcohol.
I am alcohol.
Flash you with alcohol.
GG. You got now.
Yeah. Oh my god. Wait. When we fight those people, do you wanna stay? Do you wanna just say, oh my god, we're your biggest fan?
Sure, why not? Oh no, not this map again. I don't like playing on this map with capture the flag. Walk through. Yes, please. Hold on. I'm coming to base with flag. Middle bridge.
I'm blocking up the bridge.
In. I think we're getting.
Some blockage.
I think we're getting better at capture the flag. To be honest.
Yeah. That you know why?
Because Jesus is on our side.
No! I got a triple extension.
Cool. You're not gonna score.
Hey, Hon, did you get that? Did you get your POV on that?
No. I did see you go down, but then I didn't see the extension. I think I did. I'll put it in if I'll put it in the recording in slow-mo.
Oh! Can you also put in a montage? Eat!
I may or the files are may not have been corrupted, and they may or may not have gone missing.
So sad guys, leave a like if you leave a dislike if you don't like. John Bob again. Honk Goose. You're so sad, man. Ah!
Oh, I did a point for once, yo!
Hello, Shapa. Sup, Shapa blood.
Gotta go down.
Hey guys, look at
do
this.
a loop around. Hello, sir.
Oh my god! I was going to do a clutch and then my blocks disappeared, so my bad.
This is so sad. Leave a like if you like. Leave a dislike if you don't like.
Okay, leave this like.
Please,
Yeah, I
Gap.
didn't
No,
like
why
that
does my
50
Gap never
also.
work? No, why? Kill steal.
Oh, that's rude. Look at PV poo poo head over there. Ah!
Baby hoo hoo head.
Hey, Honk Goose, you want me to do epic clutch moment, huh?
Okay, can someone distract?
Oh!
I
I
think we need to do the distract part. It's like breaking a bed. You need one person to distract them, and then you need the other people to just and then one person goes for the break bed.
Hey, Honk. Sheep man play deafen.
Why? You said what?
Hey, I clutch.
Come down,
my God.
little boy. Come down. Come down, little boy.
F off, huh?
Okay, I'll F off. Ah! F off. This is so sad. I didn't like it. You like it, but it's like if you don't like. Woo! No! This is so sad. One ink by the way. Sheep.
Oh! No. Oh my god, if I didn't like back a bajillion times, I would have gotten that clip. I clutched like 5 times. I like that, by the way.
This is so
Like
sad,
that
guys.
clutch.
Leave a like if you like. Leave a dislike if you don't like, guys.
Who would not like? Who wouldn't like a Honk Goose? That is just rude, man. If you don't like a Honk Goose, you are just bad. Just plain old bad. You know the BAD, PIG, people.
Oh no! Why can't I cover him? This is a scam. I am clicking so fast and I still cannot win.
Tunnel system got interrupted by a
Run! Run! Please!
Honk.
Why? I just wanna gap, man. I just wanna gap. You got a problem with that.
You know what they say, one goat is one more doctor invite.
One is tunneling, I think one is tunneling under our bypass. And he has the flag.
Tunneling.
And man, you got him. They're chasing after
We have a
you.
whole tunnel system.
Gotcha.
Oh, that's not bad.
I thought you killed him, sheep. You patched up the bypass.
Phơi.
Okay. This is probably gonna be the last round I'm gonna be recording. Okay, so before I end the video,
my God,
I'm gonna give some feedback. So basically,
Okay.
I want them to add like a marker that says that they have taken the flag or something, and I also want that I also want a feature for you to like pass on flags to other people,
Like
which
this what,
Sheep
with the
requested.
glowing effect.
And there should also be a. And I also think that there should be a feature that
Have a glowing
lets
gun.
you.
If Simon Hypixel sees this, leave a like. A like and subscribe. Give Honk Goose a boost roll.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Hey Honk, is there anyone that has the name Goose? I can collect, by the way, the child baby thing.
Oh, okay.
The child
I
baby
also want
thing.
them to add like. I guess they also did a pretty good job on the new map, which if you haven't seen is pretty cool. But if there could be more diverse maps and if there could be more maps, I like that too. And can you
That's
please
like,
add?
no, they have to update. No, Honk, they have 3 updated maps, and then they have like.
They have 1 new map and 3 updated maps. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, Sheepoblade just had to go. This is so sad, guys. Leave a like if you like. Leave a dislike if you like. Wait.
Invite
Leave a dislike if you don't like. Okay, goodbye.